Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the matrix and or the matrix logical operations in the Delta WPL soft. Okay, here we got the Delta WPL soft and I just put an input as x0 and I'm going to give the matrix operations. So here we can see the matrix operations. Expand and I'm going to first is the MAND. This is the metric and API command for the matrix and is MAND. So double click MAND and configure our matrix and here we can see the help. Go to the help and S1 is source 1, S2 is source 2, D is the area where the calculator result is stored, and the N is equal to the length of the matrix. And these are the things in the help. So I'm going to put some values. S1, my first source of the matrix will be D0 and the second source should be D2. Okay, and the third source should be D, sorry, the destination should be D4 and the length should be K2. I'm just giving the 2 by 2 matrix. So the length should be 2 and click OK and here we got the MAND. Then I just have to move some values. Just put a move block and the source will be, just give a random source is D100 to store my random value D100 and destination should be D0, my first input of the matrix. D0, another, just put another move block. The source will be D101, destination should be D1, D1. That is the second matrix values of the first source. Okay, D0 and D1. This is the first matrix. This is a 2 by 2 matrix, first matrix and the second matrix. And go to the source 2. Just put the source 2 as to put a move block. Move. Source will be D102. The destination should be D0. Sorry, D2. Another move block for the third, for the last matrix input. Just put another move block. Source is D103 and the destination should be D3. Okay, just have to give some random values to the D0, D1, D2, D3 and the output will be in the D4 and the D5. The compared outputs will be, or the matrix and addition and operation output will be in the D4 and D5. The first two values D0 and D2 should be compared and placed in the D4 and the second value D1 and D3 should be compared and placed in the D5. So let's see. So to monitor the devices, I just put the monitor devices here. Before that, I just have to give some random values to the D0, D100. Sorry, is K for the D100 to D0. It is K255 Okay, for this 101 it is K 545, just giving some random values. Okay, and the last one should be K 589. Okay, and I just give some random values and turn on my input, set on, and here we can go to the outputs on the monitor devices. Here, open it. Okay, and I have to put some outputs. Okay, here I can monitor the D0, D0, which is comparing with the D2, and the output will be in the D4. And the next matrix is D1, which is comparing with the D3, D3, and the output in the D5, D5. Okay, so let's see the inputs and outputs in the binary form. Go to right click, select all, right click, change the data format into binary. So we can see the binary values here. Okay, and this is the AND operation, and the AND operation should be proceed in the manner. Okay, if the two inputs are present, there will be output. Okay, if the same inputs are present, there will be output. The first two inputs are same, so the output is present, and there is no similar outputs here. So here you can see the similar outputs, 1 1, and there is 1, and here also 1 1, and the output is 1. On the next one, 1 1, the output is 1, and no other similar values, so there is no ones. That is the matrix AND operation. So if you want to see the picture, you can go through the DVP series, the PLC user manual. Okay, thanks for watching.